Oh man, I'm well. So I was doing some research on you. That's one of the things I have to do, and I noticed you don't have a website.
I do.
Okay.
SandyMarks.com. It will be up in like 2 weeks. It's down.
Okay.
It's been down for like 8 months, which is terrible. But they're rebuilding it, and it's going to be great.
All right, good.
Promoting, I'm in a new movie, Grasslands.
Okay.
Going to have a clip of that, clip from Kiss Me Again, another movie I did, the Tribeca Film Festival, and a few other like video clips and sound bites. And
okay.
I'm going to put this radio interview on.
All right, cool.
And a little reel, the whole thing.
All right, good. I was surprised.
I know.
You know?
It's terrible. And I'm going to have everything up very soon. I have someone doing the whole thing, and it's going to be a nice site, so it's taking longer than I thought.
Are you out in LA a lot because you're doing movies?
No. Everything I've done has been New York.
Really?
Yeah, the 2 films I just recently did were both filmed in New York.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's interesting. All right, well, it's good to know you don't have to go out there.
Yeah, I was there for pilot season 1 year. Didn't get anything, but went out there. And
what do you think of the scene out there, comedy scene?
Well, the comedy scene, if you're a comedian, it's terrible. There's 3 clubs.
Yeah.
Maybe 4, 3 or 4. 4 if you include Comedy and Magic. So really, the rooms, it's hard to get on. I mean, you know, you get on a little, but it's very difficult. Whereas in New York, we have 20 clubs.
Yeah.
And a lot more rooms, and you can get paid a lot more here.
Yeah.
If you want to work and make money, I think New York is so much better for comedians, and get better.
Yeah. So it told me that down in LA they have at the Improv you get like $7.50 a set and like a sandwich or like sometimes you like something ridiculous.
It is ridiculous. It's true. And at the comedy, the other club, the Mitzi Shore one, I didn't even get paid.
Really?
Yeah, they didn't pay you.
They make you clean up and stuff?
Well, it wasn't that. It's just kind of a haunted club if you've ever been there. It's very dark, and it has this haunted feel, and it's like, there's all these back rooms and stuff. It's like, it feels like walking through a haunted house.
Yeah.
And it's a bizarre place, and it doesn't feel real funny. I'll tell you that.
I heard it's a harder room, maybe because it's so spooky.
It might be, yeah. I thought the audience was good, but it doesn't feel funny.
Right,
you know?
right.
But I think, I don't want to offend LA comics, but
No.
I think the reason to me, the audience is a piece of cake because the level out there is not what it is in New York. You don't have to follow.
There's not as many
great
people,
comedians,
right?
Yeah. But there's just not as many great comics working in those little side rooms there.
Right.
And yeah, you may have to follow someone, but even some of the big names out there aren't like tough acts to follow.
Right. Yeah.
Pauly Shore. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm on tape calling Pauly Shore
It's not a big.
a bad comic or something. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you know, you're not following a Dave Attell,
right,
who's a very difficult act to follow,
right,
or Greg Giraldo, or
right,
someone like that who's a really tough act to follow. I don't think you have to follow someone like that in LA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wise words from a wise man, Sandy Marks. Thank you very much for being on Comical Radio's The Danny LaBelle Show, man. And take care.
Take care.